and good morning to all my dear students. Now today in the textbook we are going to start the new lesson number 6, that is our helper. So all of you will first write here today's date and classwork and date and day, and then you are going to write the classwork over here. I just written helper to all. This is your unit 6 or chapter 6. Now what is the meaning of helper to all? You know, my dear children, that there are many people who help us in our day-to-day work also. You take a simple example of the maid that comes to your home to help your mother in cleaning the utensils or sweeping the room or brooming the room and washing the clothes. So she is one type of our helper only, because she is helping us in our day-to-day work. As there are many such people who are helping us out in our day-to-day activities, and they are not only helping us but they are helping to everyone. So the person who helps in doing something for you is called as the helper. उसको क्या बोलते, जो आपकी किसी भी रूप से आपके के काम में आए, आपको मदद करते हैं, उन लोगों को हम क्या बोलते हैं? उन लोगों को हम बोलते हैं आवर हेल्पर्स, मतलब हमारे मददगार, जो हमको हमारे काम में मदद करते हैं या हेल्प करते हैं. सो there see, in the KG also you might have learnt about our helpers. Dear children, in KG we have learned from the KG that they are our helpers who help us in doing the work, like the tailor, doctor, teacher, nurse, policeman. They all are sweeper, postman, soldier, mechanic. They all are our helpers, because in some way or the other they are helping us in our work. If we have some problem, if we have a vehicle and our vehicle has some problem, then we go to a mechanic. He solves our problem. Then if we have some problem related to electricity at our home, we call an electrician. So he is also our helper. Then a policeman who catches the thieves and protects us. Then the soldiers are there who protect our country from the outside invasion, मतलब बाहर के खतरे से हमारे देश की सुरक्षा करते हैं, वो soldier होते हैं. Now here you can see there are the pictures of many of our our helpers are given. But then there's a small story. We first will read that story. There is a girl. Her name is Anu. She wants to become a police officer. She has a young brother. He wishes to become a soldier. What do you want to become? Here are various pictures given now. There's a girl whose name is Anu, and she wants to become a police officer. She has a younger brother too, and he wants to become a soldier. That means he wants to join the armed forces. He wants to join the army to become a soldier. Now, what would you like to become when you grow up? आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं बड़े होकर? आप क्या करना चाहते हैं बड़े होकर? इसमें से जो ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं, जितने भी पिक्चर्स, उसमें आपको कोई एक पर कलर करना है. You can see at the right side, on the top of your right side, there's a small circle. In all the pictures you can see, at any one of you have to color the picture that you want to become. Now here one by one I'll explain what the pictures are. This is your doctor, this is policeman, this is a policewoman, electrician, then nurse, this is air hostess. You know, children, who is air hostess? A person who serves to the passengers in the aeroplane. Aeroplane में जब आप travel करते हैं, plane में travel करते हैं, तो वहाँ पर जो आपको help के लिए आते हैं, आपके लिए पानी, खाना सब लेकर आते हैं, या आपको कुछ भी problem होती है inside the plane, then they are the persons who come to help you. So they are called as the air hostess. Then this is your postman who brings letters. He goes door to door and delivers the letters. Then next is your mechanic who repairs your vehicles. If you have any problem with the vehicle, you go to a mechanic. Then this is the soldier who protects our country. And this is the painter who paints beautiful pictures, or who is doing beautiful drawings and paintings. So these are few of our helpers that you have seen. Now what one you want to become, you have to color the circle which is on the top right side of the picture. Now there are options: doctor, policeman, electrician, nurse, air hostess, postman, mechanic, soldier and painter. Now first I would like to become a doctor. So I'm going to color this circle. I am going to color this circle so that it is my choice that I want to become a doctor. Now the same way you have to think and tell what you want to become. I'm going to color this circle right here. I'm just showing one of the examples that this is the way you have to do. Any one of it you have to color. आप जो भी बनना चाहते हैं या आपने जो भी सोचा है इसमें से कुछ बनने के लिए, उसमें आपको किसी एक पे आपको कलर करना है. Now Children's Day was celebrated in Anu's school. All the children had discussed about what they want to become. Now, 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day. You all know, dear children, that 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day. It is the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and because he loved children so much, that his birthday is celebrated till date as the Children's Day in our country. Now, in Anu school also, the Children's Day was going to be celebrated. So all the students discussed what they wanted to become. Children's Day celebrations के लिए बच्चे आपस में डिस्कशन कर रहे थे कि उनको क्या बनना है. We were on page number 46. Now we'll move to page number 47. Now you can see here the picture where the children are discussing with each other. Now Anu discussed in her school, we should decide what we would like to become. Her friends also spoke. Some wanted to become a doctor, some want to become a farmer, and some police officer. Now there was a discussion among the boys and girls in the class that what they wanted to become. So Anu and some of her friends also spoke on that subject, because someone said that they wanted to become a doctor, some said they wanted to become a farmer, and some said they wanted to become a police officer. Around us, many people belong to various professions. Many professionals are helpful to us. Our many needs are completed with the help of such professionals. Professionals who help us are known as our helpers. Now there are many people. What is the meaning of our helpers? That is given here. The professionals who help us are known as our helpers. जो भी एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोफेशन का काम करते हैं, कोई पर्टिकुलर काम करते हैं, और वो उस काम से ही हमारे जो मदद कर सकते हैं, so that they are called as our helpers. Supposing you take the example of a farmer. Now farmer is helping out the whole world, because he is the person who is growing the vegetables, fruits, grains, pulses, whatever our food that we eat, it is basically grown by the farmers only. So farmers are, I think they should come first on the list of our helpers, because अगर वो नहीं होते तो अगर हम अनाज नहीं मिलता, सब्जियां नहीं मिलती, फल नहीं मिलते, कुछ भी हमको खाने को नहीं मिलता. तो फार्मर्स जो है वो हमारे शायद लिस्ट में सबसे ऊपर होना चाहिए अवर हेल्पर्स के लिए. सो इट्स अ प्रोफेशन लाइक फार्मिंग. डूइंग अ फार्मिंग इज अ प्रोफेशन. सो एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोफेशन को जो फॉलो करते हुए हमारी हेल्प करते हैं, वो किसी न किसी रूप में हमारे मदद में आते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड एज अवर हेल्पर्स. लाइक पॉटर इज देयर हु मेक्स पॉट्स फॉर अस, देन टेलर इज देयर हु स्टिचेस अवर क्लोथ्स, कॉपलर इज देयर हु मेक्स आवर शूज एंड मेक्स आवर शूज फॉर अस. So there are many such people, directly or indirectly, they are helping us out in our life. Now here we have to write the professionals helping us. Who all are the professionals who are helping us? So जो वो काम करते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? They are called as a professional. Like doctor है, teacher है. So they are all the professionals. Now professionals who are helping out, we have to write the names here. I have written few names. Teacher, conductor, you know who is a conductor in the bus. A driver and a conductor is there. A conductor who gives us the tickets when we are traveling in a bus. The nurse is there in a hospital who takes care of us of the patient in the hospital. Then blacksmith means luhar, जो लोहे के औजार बनाते हैं, लोहे की चीजें बनाते हैं. They are called as the blacksmith. Then mason is your जो सीमेंट और रेती का काम करते हैं उनको मेसन बोलते हैं. देन डॉक्टर, ड्राइवर, पुलिसमैन, पॉटर, गोल्डस्मिथ मतलब सुनार जो सोने की वस्तु बनाता है, पोस्टमैन, स्वीपर, कारपेंटर, टेलर एंड कन्फेक्शनर. नाउ कन्फेक्शनर इज अ पर्सन हु मेक स्वीट्स एंड स्वीट्स. जो होते हैं स्वीट्स और स्वीट्स से रिलेटेड आइटम्स बनाते हैं उनको कन्फेक्शनर्स बोलते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्वीपर. स्वीपर इज ऑल्सो एज कंसिडर्ड एज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आवर हेल्पर. द रीजन इज दैट इफ स्वीपर वुड नॉट हैव बीन देयर, देन हु इज गोइंग टू क्लीन द रोड्स, streets and roads, and who is going to collect the garbage that is lying here and there. So sweeper is also very important, our helper to all of us. He is also helping out the entire society. Now we move on to page number 48, but that will do in the next video. Page number 48, you can see a doctor examining a patient, and then there is a nurse close by who is looking at, and she is also examining, looking at the patient, what the doctor is trying to find out. Now, yesterday was Saturday. Lena had gone to the market. Aruna was sick. She was admitted to hospital. Lena reached the hospital. Doctor Ratan was examining her. Lena likes to serve all very much. Lena likes to become a doctor. Today is Sunday. There was a meeting in the village. Good pictures were shown in the meeting hall. Lena also likes to make such pictures. Lena loves also likes to become a painter. Now here the another girl, we have been introduced to another girl or another character in the story. Our helpers is Lena. Now, Lena was going to the market. Her friend Aruna was admitted to the hospital, and Lena reached the hospital to find out what has happened to Aruna. Now, that time, Dr. Ratan, the name of the doctor is Dr. Ratan, who was examining Lena. Now, who was examining Aruna, and Lena likes to serve the people, so she wants to become a doctor that and she wants to serve the people. मतलब वो लोगों की सेवा करना चाहती है, डॉक्टर बन के लोगों की सेवा करना चाहती है. और आज संडे है, आज का विलेज में क्या है, there's a meeting in the village. So good pictures were shown in the meeting hall. In the meeting there were many good pictures that were shown. So Lena also likes to make such pictures. Lena wants to make she loves painting. She wants to become a painter also. Now the two professions Lena wants to go, one is the doctor and one is the painter. She wants to serve the people, that is why she wants to become a doctor, and she likes painting, that is why she wants to become a painter. Now think and say, which professional is good for Lena? And according to me, it is the doctor, which is good for, because she likes to serve the people. What do you like her to become? आप क्या चाहते हैं कि लीना क्या बने? I have given two options, either teacher or a doctor. Now, what else should Lena become? Other thing is a painter, because she loves to paint. Like Lena, what do you want to become? I have written I want to become a teacher, but the reason is that it is a teacher who teaches, who makes doctors, engineers and nurses and pilots, everything. It is a doctor because the student, first a child comes to school, he learns from the school, and then he goes ahead and becomes takes some profession in his life. So it is a teacher who makes the life of a person. So I want to become a teacher. This is the way of the teacher serves the society. शिक्षक है तो ही सोसाइटी में जो है शिक्षा आएगी और लोग साक्षर बनेंगे. What do your friends want to become? Some of them wants to become lawyers, some wants to become doctor. Now all the questions that I have written, you can vary your answer. This is according to my opinion the answers should be, but if you want to make any changes in this, you can definitely make. How can you help them? Now I know that my friends want to become a doctor or he wants to become a pilot. Then according to his profession, I would provide him with the information and tell him about the good and the bad things of going into that profession and help him to reach his goal. Now moving on to page number 49. Fill in the colors. Fill in the colors of the profession you like. This is the same as we had done in the earlier page number 46. The same things have been repeated here. Now so you can do this on your own. Now this is right. Now here you can see a stethoscope is given. You from this instruments or the tools that are given, you have to tell that which professional is using this tool. Now this is a stethoscope which is used by a doctor only. So it is a doctor, and what does a doctor do? Does the treatment. What is the work of a doctor? Here you have to write the name of a professional, and here what does that profession people in that profession do. मतलब कि अगर यहाँ पर डॉक्टर है तो डॉक्टर क्या काम करता है, अपना डॉक्टर का प्रोफेशन क्या है, उसका काम क्या है, that you have to write here. Now this is the bag and this is a letter. You can see that means this bag is carried by a postman. So he delivers post door to door, मतलब घर घर जाकर जो है वो डाक देता है या लेटर्स देता है. Now this is, you can see, जैसे हथकड़ी, it is used by a policeman to handcuff the criminals. So he arrests the criminals. मतलब जो चोर है या किसी ने गुनाह किया है, कोई क्राइम किया है, तो उनको हैंडकफ करने के लिए ये हथकड़ियों का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. Now next is the teacher. Teacher teaches in the school. Now what are the tools that are used by teacher? Chalk, duster and a book. Now, this is a broom that you can see, which is used by a sweeper. He sweeps the roads and streets in the cities and sometimes offices also. Now this is a spanner which is used by a mechanic. इसको आप देख के समझ सकते हैं कि mechanic ही इसको use करता है to repair the vehicles or any type of mechanic it can be. जो है ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कि vehicles के लिए भी हो. There are certain machines also that needs to be repaired. That is also done by a mechanic. So this is the tool of a mechanic. Moving on to page number 50, the last page of this lesson in the textbook. Now here it is a small puzzle. You can see certain professionals are given or our helpers are given. He is a soldier, teacher, then sweeper, nurse and doctor. Now below these you can see some symbols are there. Here below soldiers a triangle. टीचर के नीचे प्लस किया है, स्वीपर के नीचे एक सर्कल है, देन देयर इज अ रेक्टेंगल बिलो नर्स एंड अ pentagon 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 hexagon is there. Now it is drawn below a doctor. Now here the tools of these our helpers are given. This is the broom, this is a medicine tray with the injections and you can see certain medicines are there. This is a stethoscope, this is a chair, table, chalk, duster, book and this is the handcuffs. ये जो हथकड़ी है जो इसको यूज किया जाता है. Now the first one has already been, you have to match the symbols, you have to draw the symbols which tool is used by which professional. As one is done for us, here a soldier is this is there. Now here हथकड़ियाँ दी हुई है तो हथकड़ियों को इसके साथ मैच किया हुआ. Already the triangle has been drawn. Now this is the broom. First is our broom, so it is a sweeper, so we have to draw a circle here. Now this is the medicine tray which is used by the nurse. और nurse का symbol क्या है? Rectangle there, so you have to draw a rectangle here. This is stethoscope used by a doctor where you have to draw a hexagon. Then plus below the teacher because this is used by the teacher. And last one is already done. So this is the way you have to draw the symbols here. Now next is your observations. You have to write the name of the professional, tools and how they are useful to us. How these professionals are useful to us. First is your teacher, doctor, driver, postman and soldier. I have written these 5 our helpers. You can write any of your 5 our helpers, the tools that they are used and how they are helpful to us. Now first is your teacher. What are the tools used by teacher? Chalk, book and duster. Teacher teaches students in the school. Doctor, stethoscope, injection, medicines, examines the patient. Driver, bus, takes people from one place to another. Postman, what is his tool? He takes the post and delivers the post from door to door. And soldier, gun, protects our country. So this is the way how they are useful to us that we have written. So there are lots and lots of people who help us, as I told you, directly or indirectly in our life, in our day-to-day life also. So dear children, we should always respect each and every person in our life who comes and helps us in any way. बहुत छोटी सी भी मदद शायद किसी इंसान ने आपके लिए की हो तो हमेशा उस चीज़ को आपको याद रखना चाहिए कि ही वॉज द पर्सन दैट एट द टाइम व्हेन यू नीडेड हिज हेल्प ही हैड कम एंड हेल्प्ड यू आउट. सो डियर चिल्ड्रन, ऑलवेज रिस्पेक्ट द पीपल एंड इफ यू विल गिव रिस्पेक्ट ऑटोमेटिकली यू आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू गेट रिस्पेक्ट. एंड ऑलवेज love the people and always respect the peoples who have helped her in your life and don't forget their help anyway in your life. कभी भी अपनी ज़िंदगी में जो किसी भी व्यक्ति ने आपको अगर हेल्प किया है तो उसकी मदद कभी भी अपने लाइफ में आप मत भूलिए कि आज आप जो भी कुछ है अगर शायद वो पर्सन आपको उस समय पर हेल्प नहीं करता then you would not have been at the place where you are now. So dear children, always remember the people who have helped you and always try to help others also. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको किसी ने मदद की है that is enough, but you should also help the others out in the way you can so that the person who is in trouble can get out of the trouble. So dear children, I think our helpers are very important in our life and we should also become one of the helpers. We should also become helpers to someone in some way or the other. It's not necessary that we need to become a tailor or a cobbler or a carpenter to help somebody, but there are many ways you can help out every to whom you want to help, to reach out to the person who is needy. So dear children, I wind up the lesson here. This is the end of the lesson of unit 6 or chapter 6. Now everything we have to complete it in the workbook. So whatever I have written in the textbook, you all have to complete that in your textbook only. No need of writing anything from this in your notebook. Now next is your workbook part that we'll be doing in the next video.